Hello, everyone. Dr. Tony Prensa. I figured out that mainly in this time that we are living, project management has become more complex than it used to be. I have over almost 40 years of project management experience dealing with projects of all sizes and all kind of challenges that you may imagine in different industry sectors. So one of the things that is happening now is that everything is related to value. So you need to add value. If we're talking about project management office, it's about adding value. We're talking about projects, it's about adding value. Even the Project Management Institute in the guide, PMOs version 7, they added an entire sections about value delivery. So I always think about, because when I started in project management, one of the things that I found a little difficult was to differentiate the outputs versus outcomes. And it's easy to say, but it's hard to do it and figure out what is outcome in the project. So as a project manager, we focus a lot in outputs, delivering deliverables, adding project plans, or even delivering the system. For example, in my case, information system, having most of my career. So that's what I want to write this article to explain a little bit what the difference between output and outcome. So you can apply this concept when you are working on your projects or you are writing a value proposition for your projects. So let me share the screen. So it's a short video. It's not the entire article. So I encourage you to read and study the article. If you have any question later on, so you can reach out to me in social media. So I'm always present there. So this is the very enriching platform that Institute for Project Management provides to the community. So there's a great article there. But you will see my article in that platform too. So let me go here and share my screen. So let me go and look for the articles. I want to just show you a couple of things, not the entire articles, as I said. Hold on a second. Okay. It's that one. Okay, so you are looking at my article, and that will be published from deliverables to impact. Mastering the arts of outcomes in project management. So a couple of highlights here. So you can see we are in a dynamic world where results is that matter the most. But not all results, the ultimate results, and that's outcomes. Achieving meaningful outcomes is the definitive benchmark of project success. The other day, I spotted a posting from the CEO of Project Management Institute, Pierre Lemain, about the definition of project success. That was an interesting research. So how the industry define project success. So if you have the chance, take a look to the documents. It's posted in the PMI website. Well, coming back. So great project managers don't stop outputs. They create lasting impacts, and that's outcomes. It's not the result. It's not that I delivered the project plan or I created this system. So it's the value that you adding, the lasting results, the impacts that you're causing in delivering that output. So in today's, and as another important thing, in today's competitive landscape, focusing on outcomes is not optional, it's essential. That's how you add value to your customer and to your stakeholders. It's important to focus on the end results. I like to put an example of the daily life. So let's say car seats. So the car seats is the output, but the outcome is to protect the life of the kids, the children that you have in your car. That's the idea. Another example that I like to use is, let's say, a highway. So the output is the highway that will take you from point A to point B. But the outcomes are better traffic, better, more efficient traffic, save life, and that's the some of the outcomes of that particular project. It's not just the highway. So what we're gonna have with that highway? That's to protect the life of people, to expedite the traffic, so people move faster from one point to the other point. So that's the outcomes. So in this document, this article, so you will see multiple examples on how to create outcomes in your projects. And this is very important in project management. It's about creating outcomes. It's about adding value to your stakeholders if you want to stay relevant. And I can add other things. We are in an AI era, and there's a lot of noise around that project managers will be replaced by AI. But only those that are not able to create outcomes will be replaced. Thank you.